Ghostwriting. How to make $5,000 a month writing for others. I just watched someone make $5,000 in 30 days writing under someone else's name. They've never been on camera. Nobody knows who they are. And honestly, that's exactly why they're making serious money. This is ghostwriting. And it's one of the fastest ways to build real income in 2024. I'm going to show you exactly how to start, where to find clients, and the specific niches paying 5 figures a month right now. Let's go. Part 1. What ghostwriting actually is and why it pays. Ghostwriting is simple. You write content. Someone else publishes it under their name. You get paid. That's it. Here's why this pays more than regular freelancing. When someone hires you as a ghostwriter, they're not paying for your name. They're paying for results. They need blog posts that rank on Google. They need LinkedIn articles that get engagement. They need email sequences that convert. They don't care if you write it in your pajamas at midnight. This is different from content writing where you get bylined, or Medium where you get peanuts for views. Ghostwriting is pure value exchange. You deliver quality. They pay you. Done. The money breaks down like this. A beginner ghostwriter makes between $12 and $25 per hour. That's doing admin level content. But here's the jump. Once you specialize, you're charging per piece, not by the hour. That changes everything. A mid-level ghostwriter in the business or finance niche charges between $500 and $2,000 per article. An experienced ghostwriter in high-ticket niches? $3,000 to $5,000 per piece. Some charge monthly retainers between $2,000 and $10,000. So $5,000 a month isn't fantasy. It's literally 3 to 5 solid pieces at mid-level rates. That's achievable within 90 days if you know where to look. Part 2. The 3 niches paying the most right now. Not all ghostwriting pays equally. 3 niches are absolutely crushing it in 2024. First, finance and investing. Finance newsletters and blogs pay the most because money is on the line. When someone's teaching others about Roth IRAs, S&P 500 investing, or how to optimize their 401k through Fidelity or Robinhood, they need accurate, authoritative content. A single piece might earn them $10,000 in affiliate commissions or course sales. They'll happily pay you $2,000 to write it. I'm seeing ghostwriters in this space make $5,000 to $8,000 monthly without breaking a sweat. Second, business and SaaS. SaaS companies, digital agencies, and course creators need case studies, sales pages, and email funnels. These aren't vanity projects. Bad copy costs them money. Good copy makes them money. A ghostwriter who can write a sales page that converts gets paid $1,000 to $3,000 per page. A retainer to write emails and funnels for a growing SaaS company? $3,000 to $5,000 monthly is standard. Third, personal development and coaching. Life coaches, business coaches, and personal brand builders need content constantly. They need books ghosted. They need LinkedIn content written daily. They need webinar scripts. They're usually making good money, which means they'll pay. Retainers here range from $2,000 to $6,000 monthly because these clients want ongoing relationships. Notice what these have in common. They're all high-value niches where the client directly profits from the content. That's your key filter. If the client makes money from your writing, they'll pay you like it. Part 3. How to start and land your first clients. You need 3 things: samples, a simple pitch, and the right platforms. First, samples. You don't need clients yet to create them. Write 3 solid pieces in your chosen niche on Medium, on your own blog, or even in a Google Doc. Make them real. Make them good. These become your portfolio. Second, your pitch. Keep it to 2 paragraphs. I write 4. Here's what I've written. Here's what I can do for you. That's it. No fluff. Third, Platforms. There are 4 main places to find clients: Upwork and Fiverr for beginner rates. Yes, it's competitive, but it's real money while you build experience and testimonials. You can realistically make $800 to $1,500 your first month here. LinkedIn for mid-tier clients. Post your own content to prove you understand the niche. Network with business owners and founders directly. Slide into DMs with your pitch. Specialized job boards like ProBlogger, copywriter jobs, and writer access. These attract higher paying clients because they're serious about quality. Direct outreach to newsletter creators and course creators in your niche. Find them, study their content, send them a thoughtful email explaining why you'd be perfect to ghostwrite for them. Most people get their first client in 2 to 4 weeks. Your first rate might be $500, but within 6 months of consistent work and testimonials, you're charging $2,000. Within a year, you're hitting $5,000 monthly with 3 to 5 clients. CTA and close. This is the fastest path from 0 to $5,000 a month I've found. Not because it's easy, but because the value is immediate and measurable. Start this week. Write your 3 samples. Pick your niche. Get on LinkedIn and Upwork today. And subscribe because next week I'm breaking down exactly which ghostwriting niches are about to explode in 2025. Let's go. Word count: 847.